Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers. We're a Tobin Hill cash home buyer, and what that means is if you've got a house for sale in Tobin Hill in San Antonio, Texas, one of our absolute favorite neighborhoods in this city, we can come in and buy that house for cash. And what that means, it's a very different process than a traditional home sale. Oftentimes we're buying houses that have substantial repairs that need to be done. Sometimes $20 or $40 or $100,000 of repairs need to be done on the house, and the owner doesn't want to complete those repairs, so they can sell it to us. We take it off their hands. We can close in as little as a few days. If it's a Monday and you want to close and get cash in your hand on Friday, we can absolutely accommodate that. And we're very different than a traditional buyer because we're a cash buyer, as the name implies, which means we're not dealing with banks, inspections, appraisals, walking people through the house, retail buyers, none of that stuff. We just come in. We need about 30 minutes to an hour with you in your home. One of our representatives will come out, take a look at the house, have a conversation with you, see if we're a fit. And if we are, then we make the offer, we write the contract, and we will close on the contract. We'll put down a substantial amount of money as a deposit. And if we've got a close date on there, we'll close on that date, and we will not sell the contract to another investor. We are the end buyer, so we'll close on the house, which is very different from a lot of folks that are out there. At any rate, so we specialize in houses that owners want to get out of quickly. If there's been fire damage, or there's repairs that need to be done, or there's a divorce or an inheritance or some kind of a situation where you're just ready to be done and walk away, we want to make this the easiest real estate transaction that you've ever been a part of in your life and you ever will be a part of in your life. And it gets pretty simple. I mean, we're in and out and close in a couple of days. Is how we like to do it. So if you've got a house in Tobin Hill that you'd like to sell, or you're looking for a Tobin Hill cash home buyer, we would love an opportunity to earn your business. You can visit us at alamocashbuyers.com or check out the number on the screen, and we'd love a chance to chat with you. Take care.